Hi everyone, it's Kate from Awakening Your Abundance Creatively, and I'm doing some short videos about affirmations just to help everybody get clear about how to use them to the best of their ability and get really good results. So I think this is the fourth video that I've done, and you can see the other ones on my YouTube channel or go to my page Awakening Your Abundance Creatively on Facebook and you can watch them there. But today I just wanted to have a quick chat about saying them out loud. Saying your affirmations out loud actually speeds them up by 80%. And it's, you know, you're putting your energy out into the universe vibrationally, and that's how it all manifests, is going on your vibration. So, you know, make sure that you are in a good feeling place when you're doing it. A lot of people say them when they're in the shower, you're relaxed. You have a lot of epiphanies in the shower as well. It's nearly like a meditation. You sort of go through the motions. You're not really thinking too much about things, and ideas might pop into your head. So in the shower is a great time. I say mine when I'm out in nature, walking the dog. I love being in nature, so you know, I'm feeling really good. And I have my favorite affirmations. One of my really good ones that I like to say is everything I need comes to me, everything I need to know is revealed to me. That's another one of my favorites. And, you know, it just brings really good results. I just seem to be in the right place at the right time. That's another one. So say them out loud, be happy, sing them. Singing them's great as well. If you can make up a little rhyming ditty while you're doing the housework or washing the dishes. Another time would be in the car if you have to commute to work. You know, people outside don't know what you're saying. They might think you're just singing to the radio, but whereas you're singing your affirmations. Yeah, so have fun with it. It's supposed to be fun. Don't make it into a chore. If it's becoming a chore, don't do it. But yeah, have fun and happy manifesting.